Welcome to Rediff Mail Enterprise. In this video, we will walk you through Rediff Cloud, a secure and intelligent cloud storage service that allows you to store, organize, access, and share your important files from anywhere. Rediff Cloud is designed to simplify file management while ensuring data security and easy collaboration within your organization. To access Rediff Cloud, log into your email account and click on the cloud icon from the left-hand navigation panel. This will open the Rediff Cloud dashboard, where you can view and manage all your files and folders in one centralized location. The interface is clean, intuitive, and easy to use even for non-technical users. At the top, you will see a new button which provides multiple options for managing your content. From here, you can create a new folder to organize your files, upload an individual file, upload an entire folder, or create a new document, spreadsheet, or presentation directly within Rediff Cloud. This gives you the flexibility to either upload existing files or create new ones online without using external applications. While uploading files, please note that each individual file can be of up to a maximum size of 1 GB, allowing you to store even large documents, reports, or media files securely on the cloud. You can create custom folders based on your projects, departments, or preferences to keep your data well structured. Once files are uploaded, you can open, download, move, rename, or delete them as required, making Rediff Cloud a powerful and convenient document management system. Rediff Cloud allows you to create 3 types of files directly within the platform: documents, Excel spreadsheets, and PowerPoint presentations. For example, if you create a spreadsheet, you can edit it online with all standard features available, just like in a regular desktop application, without the need to download it. You can share your files with other users within your organization by clicking on the share icon next to the file. You can choose whether the recipient can only view or also edit the file. Edit access is only available for internal users belonging to the same domain. If the Can Edit option is selected while sharing, only users from your organization's domain will be able to modify the file. You can also view all the files you have shared in the Shared by Me section. Rediff Cloud also supports secure sharing with external users outside your organization. While sharing with an external user, you must secure the file using either a mobile number or a passcode. External users will only be able to download the file. They cannot edit it. You can also set a validity period for the shared file, after which the user will no longer be able to access it. While composing an email, you can attach files directly from Rediff Cloud instead of uploading them from your local system, which is especially useful for large files. Similarly, you can save received email attachments directly to Rediff Cloud instead of downloading them to your computer. Overall, Rediff Cloud provides a secure, efficient, and user-friendly way to store, manage, and share your files. With its simple interface and powerful features, users can easily work with their documents on the cloud without any technical expertise. And that's it. This is how you use the Rediff Cloud feature. Thank you for watching.